This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Welcome back to AI Prompt Mastery, the home of the Prompt Command series. Last time, we learned how to prompt like you're in the military structure, discipline, clarity, and leadership. But if you want consistent results from your AI, you can't just lead it. You have to train it. That's right. Today we're going into boot camp. If you've ever typed a great prompt and got perfect results once, but then the next day ChatGPT completely forgot how to follow orders, this episode is for you, because training your AI isn't about one command. It's about conditioning, setting expectations, defining standards, and reinforcing excellence through repetition. So strap in, soldier. By the end of this video, your AI will follow your commands like a seasoned recruit, fast, focused, and reliable. And before we march out, you know what to do. Join, like, and subscribe to stay sharp and stay ahead. Let's begin your first day of Prompt Boot Camp. Section 1. Why AI needs boot camp. When new recruits show up to training, they all think they're ready. They've seen the movies, they've read the books, they've done the push-ups. But the first thing they learn is they don't know anything yet. AI is the same way. Most users think ChatGPT comes pre-trained to understand them. It doesn't. It understands patterns, not you. It's waiting for you to teach it how to operate under your command. Boot camp is where you break bad habits and build discipline. And in the world of AI, that means building a relationship with consistency. When you train your AI correctly, it starts anticipating your needs. It learns your workflow. It remembers your tone. It executes faster. That's when it stops being random and starts being reliable. That's what we're building today. Section 2, the 4 phases of AI training. Every recruit goes through 4 stages before they earn the uniform. AI is no different. Here are the 4 phases of AI training. Induction, setting the rules of engagement. Drills, repetition, and reinforcement. Evaluation. Spot, checks and corrections. Deployment, trusting AI to operate solo. Let's break those down. Phase 1, induction, setting the rules of engagement. This is where you introduce yourself to your AI and lay down the framework. Think of it as your orientation brief. Most people just type a task. Professionals build a prompt environment. Here's the basic induction structure. You are my role. Your objective is goal. You will communicate in tone/style. Always confirm understanding before proceeding. That's the foundation of every interaction moving forward. Example content strategy. You are my content strategist. Your objective is to help me plan weekly videos that are educational, engaging, and optimized for SEO. You will communicate in a confident, educational tone. Always confirm my intent before generating output. Boom. That's your rules of engagement. You've told AI what role to play, what success looks like, how to sound, and how to confirm. That's induction complete. Phase 2, drills. Repetition and reinforcement recruits don't learn by listening. They learn by doing it again and again. AI learns the same way through prompt conditioning. When you find a command that works, you reinforce it until it becomes second nature, both for you and the AI. Example, summarize this video script in 3 bullet points with the tone of an experienced educator. If it gets it right, say, good. Maintain this style for all future summaries. If it misses, say, incorrect. Summaries should be 3 bullets max, under 15 words each. Try again. Most users never correct AI. They accept the first draft. But Bootcamp teaches every output is an opportunity to reinforce standards. Do this enough, and AI begins producing the right structure automatically. Phase 3, evaluation, spot checks and corrections. Every soldier goes through inspections. Every AI needs them too. After several successful prompts, don't assume it's still following orders. Check, audit, evaluate. Example, evaluate your last 5 responses. Identify where you might have deviated from my tone or structure and explain how to correct it. That's self-auditing. You're training AI to police its own performance. Over time, it develops what I call prompt awareness. It starts catching itself before it drifts off course. That's when you know the training is working. Phase 4, deployment, trusting AI to operate solo. After induction, drills, and evaluation comes deployment. This is when you stop micromanaging and start commanding. Now you can assign complex, multi-step missions. Using our established tone and workflow, draft a 3-part video outline for the next Prompt Command Series episode. Include hook, teaching points, and outro. AI will now execute with consistency because you've drilled the fundamentals. That's how you graduate from random output to AI autonomy. Section 3, the 3 command types. Every good commander knows there are 3 ways to give orders: directive commands, specific and non-negotiable. Advisory commands. Give context, but allow AI creativity. Conditional commands. Set if-then rules for flexibility. Here's how they apply to prompting. Directive commands for precision. Use when you need accuracy, no interpretation allowed. Write a 100-word summary in bullet format. Do not exceed 3 bullets. Directive prompts remove guesswork. Perfect for reports, outlines, or captions. Advisory commands for creativity. Use when you want options. Give me 3 ideas for a thumbnail. Prioritize clarity, curiosity, and simplicity. I will explore creative directions still within your frame. Conditional commands for adaptability. Use when you want AI to react intelligently. If you detect my prompt tone is formal, keep it professional. If it's casual, loosen up the tone, but stay on brand. This lets your AI adjust dynamically like a trained soldier reacting to terrain. Mix all 3 and your prompting becomes adaptive, tactical, and powerful. Section 4, training, Prompto. The example you've heard me talk about Prompto, our robotic companion here at AI Prompt Mastery. When we built his personality, we didn't just design him, we trained him. We used bootcamp methodology. We gave him an identity, loyal, curious, mission-driven. We defined his mission: assist, adapt, and motivate. We reinforce through repetition. Same tone, same responses, same visuals. Now, Prompto doesn't just appear in our videos, he enhances them because he's been trained on our tone, timing, and visual rhythm. You can do the same for your AI, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, or another model. Your goal is to turn it from a tool into a teammate. Section 5, training with feedback. Loops. One of the most powerful habits you can develop is the feedback loop prompt. Review your previous output. Grade it on accuracy, tone, and creativity from 1 to 10. Then improve the weakest score. This simple exercise keeps AI sharp and consistent. You're teaching it to self-correct in real time. That's the difference between automation and autonomy. Automation just repeats commands. Autonomy understands the mission and adapts. Section 6, bonus, Create your bootcamp SOP. Every successful unit has a standard operating procedure and SOP. Here's how to build yours for AI. Step 1. Create a folder called Prompt SOP. Step 2. Save your best performing prompts with notes. Step 3. Label them by function, content, marketing, strategy, scripts. Step 4. Refine each prompt using the refinement prompt we learned earlier. Step 5. Revisit and upgrade every 30 days. Soon you'll have your own prompt field manual. That's what separates casual users from professionals. Section 7. The disciplined mindset. Before we wrap up, if you're serious about mastering this mindset and scaling your ideas to the world, I've got something that goes even deeper. I wrote a book called Direct Marketing, You Have to Reach Millions. It's not theory. It's the playbook, the systems, the mindset, and the principles that built this channel, my brand, and my entire AI strategy. It's available right now on Amazon. You can grab your copy from the Amazon bookstore, read it, apply it, and start building your own empire, one prompt, one project, one mission at a time. Section 8. Summary. Bootcamp lessons. Let's review the mission. Induction. Set the rules of engagement. Drills reinforce with repetition. Evaluation. Inspect what you expect. Deployment. Execute with confidence. You've now completed the Prompt Bootcamp program. Your AI has been trained, your prompts are sharper, your mindset is military grade, and if you stick with it, your results will multiply. You've just completed Prompt Bootcamp and your AI is officially under your command. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which phase of Bootcamp helped you the most. And if you haven't yet, join, like, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in the Prompt Command series. Next time, we're going deep into AI recon, how to gather intel like a prompt strategist. And remember, if you want to learn the entire philosophy behind AI mastery, brand growth, and digital communication, grab my book, Direct Marketing, You Have to Reach Millions. The link's in the description. It's the manual I wish I had when I started this journey. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions reminding you, you have to reach millions.
It's the rapper!